Let's start the debut. So, I'll just show the votes now. So Doggy, with 5 votes, you join the game. Bark. So the challenge is a race around the world. Go. This is way too hard. Cup, how could you?
I'm sorry, Cup.
What the?
Go for Cocoa Puffs! Go for Cocoa Puffs! Chocolatey tasting Cocoa Puffs, a part of this balanced breakfast with 10 important vitamins and minerals. Being Cocoa sure has its ups and downs.
Hey guys, am I late? Who are you? Blaze Cube.
That was cute, Nick.
Bro! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, you just... Oh my god! Oh my god!
Way to make it.
The contestant should have been here right now. Figures. Ah.